Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm back with some Hindu vocabulary words. Instructive, which is an adjective meaning informative, revealing, telling, upadeshpurn. Thus far, which is a phrase meaning previously, past, already, abhi tak. Ratchet up, which is a verb, means to increase something by a series of small amounts. Retaliate, which is a verb meaning to hit back, counter-attack, take revenge. Pratikar karna. Forecast, which is a noun meaning prediction, indication, projection. Bhavishyavani. Shrink, which is a verb meaning lessen, dwindle, सहम कर पीछे हट जाना. Seek out, which is a phrasal verb meaning discover, detect, find, pana. Multilateral, which is an adjective meaning involving many different countries or groups. Bahupakshiya. Punitive, which is an adjective meaning inflicting or intended as punishment. Dandatmak. Sanctions, which is a noun meaning a threatened penalty for disobeying a law or rule. Pratibandh. War of attrition, which is a noun meaning a prolonged period of conflict during which each side seeks to gradually wear down the other by a series of small scale actions. Maritime, which is an adjective meaning of or related to the sea. Samudriya. Poise, which is a verb meaning balance, to be suspended, hang, santulit rakhna. Vortex, which is a noun meaning a whirling mass of fluid or air, especially a whirlpool or whirlwind. Chakkar. Forthcoming, which is an adjective meaning imminent, impending, near. Agmansheel. Pull back, which is a phrasal verb meaning withdraw, retreat, disengage. Rok lana. Brink, which is a noun meaning the extreme edge of land before a steep slope or a body or water. Kagar. Give and take, which is a phrase meaning compromise, concession. Aapsi sooj-booj, samajh-booj rakhna. The heat, which is a noun meaning unnecessary pressure or criticism. Samalochna. Mute, which is a verb meaning restrain, soften. Awaaz mand karna. Summary, which is an adjective meaning immediate, instant or instantaneous, on the spot. Jaldbazi ka. Precipitate, which is an adjective meaning sudden, hurried, hasty. Apratishit. Have one's way, which is a phrase meaning to do what one wishes for. Go down well, which is a phrase meaning to be well accepted. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.